it is 8:45. We're continue to test this 15-minute open range. As you can see, our 15-minute candle has formed. This range right here is from yesterday, so I'm gonna go ahead and adjust this to the 15, which is this candle here. That is our 15 range. Just go over what I have on the chart. Indicators. So that way you know, you can set it up the way I do have it here. It's up to you. Current day open, high, low. I've got the price line, which is this line here. I like to see the price. The Fibonacci pivots, got the supports and the resistance. I've got a couple of EMAs. Since I'm scalping, I've got the 200 up here and the 8 exponential moving average. And you could use the 8, the 9, the 10. They're all about the same. So that's everything I have on here. So let's go over this chart. This is the open of the new day. As you can see right here, we came down, made a low, trended up, went all the way up almost to the 200. And then we came back down in London, took out the low, took out the open, made a new low. Then we had news, and this is where that drop is. So we dropped down all the way. S1, S2, S3. So we're right in the middle of this day. So this gives you support levels and resistance levels. Those levels are pretty accurate. I mean, I don't like to draw in the levels myself. I just go off those. But since I scalp off the 15-minute candle, I'm just looking for 15 ticks, one contract on the Nasdaq. That's everything I have on here. I'll just keep it simple. Sometimes we'll trade within the range until we get a breakout, either up or down. So we had this aggressive down move. We made a new low. Pivot points right up here. This is the open. So we'll just see what direction this is going to. It is 8:48. Let's see if we make a continuation to the downside or we go up and take some levels out. Go back to the open, make a new high. R1, R2's up here. As you can see, this is the low of the week. This is the low of the week and actually broke the low of Friday when we had that real down move. So we're at a lower low. So who knows? We may go lower, go higher. We got the exponential moving average. This is the 9, the 8 here. And you could switch that up. You can go to indicators. I've got the 8, the 9. Smooths it out a little bit. So it doesn't matter. You can use the 8, the 9, the 10. They're all going to be about the same range. So right now we're not doing anything. It is 8:49, 15-minute candles. I'm just looking to scalp 15 ticks off the 15-minute candles. 200's up here. Got the resistance levels, the open, pivot point. If we break out, these will be some levels I would like to target. This level, and of course the 200. This is the high of the day. So if we break this, we'll go into this. R1 is right there. Just wait and see. If we break this on the downside, and you got all this to go take out. So let's see. If we break out of that, if it's below the EMA, you would want to take your shorts, especially on these 15-minute candles. You have a lot of leeway. So a lot of people are trading off the minute, the 2-minute, the 5-minute, but I can see all that price action within this 15-minute candle. Gives me a lot more clearance. And this is usually what NQ does. It's 8:51 right now. It'll range until it actually makes a move. Since this is a red candle, we haven't gotten out to here. We're close to getting out to here. This would be a good area for me to scalp real quick.
Order filled.
Move this up here, give it room to breathe. If it comes out here, it takes my stop out, then that means we'll go on the upside. I'm good with that. Then we could go reverse and take our trades up. But since we got down here, let's see, we're close to breaking this out. So I'm going to scale into this trade.
Target filled.
There's one target. Even though if I lose this one, I've already won that other one. So got my stop right above that. So if it breaks out, we're going to scalp on the upside.
Order filled.
There's another
Target
scalp.
filled.
So we'll just wait and see. I've got 2 winning trades in. I've got this one held open. Even though if we lose, we've already won a couple trades. My stop is right on top of that range there. So if it takes me out, I know we're going to go to the upside unless it doesn't fake out. So, and this is trading within the range. I'm just trading the candle. Since this is a red candle, and we've made all this wick low, I like to see and go back there and take those. Because you got to remember, you got the 5-minute, the 2-minute traders that are trading this. So with the 15-minute, it just gives you more of a leeway. So, and then of course you could adjust this. You can move this up, so that way you can lock in.
Target filled.
Okay, so if I would have left that, that's $40 because we took a loss on that. But let's see. It's 8:54 right now. Still hasn't made a move. See, the better moves are taking the sales because you do have this red candle, and it's been playing right here.
Order filled.
It's a quick sell on a scalp. Put another
Order
sell
committed.
here since we haven't gone up to take those out. Right now we're just ranging in the 15-minute.
Target filled.
There's that first target. So if we would have held that, we would have been out of that other trade. I'm just showing you how you can scale into these and take your profit or take the loss. $8.56.
Order canceled.
It's 8.56. About 4 minutes left on this candle. Usually within that next 15 candle, it's usually rangy. And then we'll see the move once it hits 10 o'clock Eastern time, 9 o'clock Central. So we're either going to see a continuation or a breakout on the low side, or if we stay in here, it's going to be rangy. So that way, if it does range, we'll just take our trades within range. 8.57. As soon as it starts moving, giving us some momentum on the breaks, I'm going to go ahead and start scaling this in. $8.58. See, this red candle pulled all the way back here. Plus we're on top of this range.
Order filled.
Take a quick scalp there, because it's just moving, it's just ranging right there, and especially on the red candle, you would take sales within that. Then just put your stop right above. 8.58. $8.59. That's a 15-minute range. That's the 15-minute candle. Right now we're inside the 15 initial balance range, just waiting, looking, doing quick scalps. 15 ticks. What I'm doing, I'm just taking pullback trades. Okay, there it is at 9 o'clock. Let's see if we get some sort of move here. Nothing yet. You can see these candles. Usually there's a red. I mean, the more you learn, you get a little bit of a push there.
Order filled.
Put that up there.
Order filled.
Let's see that push down. Either that, we're going to get stopped out. I took that because we started red.
Order filled.
Scale in that trade. I'm going to leave those there.
Target filled.
If you're not comfortable using a full contract, you can go micros on these. I've got my stop right above this red
Target
candle.
filled.
Goes trying to make a move. Just gonna let this play out. The reason why I took that trade is because it is a red candle. I expect this to take lower because you do have this big wick. So I like to see this wick cleared out.
Target filled.
There it goes from those trades. We have not making a breakout yet, but I took those because you have a red candle here with all this wick and another form red candle. As you can see, we don't have a wick on the top side. We do have a small wick here. It's 9:03. So when it does this, I like to use the 15 tick take profit because I'm in and out of these trades, not holding it long, especially if it's in a range. We're not making any moves yet. If we make a little bit of a green pullback here, as you can see, they try to take below here. Now this candle here. Many different ways to trade the 15-minute range open. Trade the breakouts either on the top or on the bottom. Sometimes you'll have a breakout, it's a fake breakout, and then it comes back in and it goes all the way down. That's why I like using this EMA just to see where the momentum is at. And right now, this is consolidation. See, now it's forming the green, so we may get a breakout on the top side. because this candle didn't break it, and this candle has not broken it. But if we do break this side, then we're going up. Usually when I take trades, I like to put my stop right above where that 15-minute candle high-low is at. So if I'm taking buys here, I'll put the stop here, just depending how big that candle is. So. No, 7. Still in 15 range. We're just looking for short scalps. I can see the price action on this 15-minute candle. And right now it's a rangy candle. We haven't broken out these two levels. Trying to make a push up. I'm going to take a little scalp. If it retraces back a little bit, go into the upside. There we go.
Order filled. Target filled.
It's a quick scalp. That's how fast those scalps are. $15.6. See, we keep making a higher high on this 15-minute candle.
Order filled.
15.6. Move this stop right here, just in case it pulls back a little bit. All we're looking for is 15.6.
Target filled.
I did that because we couldn't go down anymore. Now we're green. You gotta keep in mind you have the 2-minute, 5-minute traders in here as well. But I'm trading off the 15. Since we'd be going higher and higher, just when it pulls back, you take your trades. I'm not looking to hold these, so I'm getting in and out. 15. So when it does this, we just take 15 ticks at a time. $9.12. 3 more minutes, then we get another 15, and we'll see if that one actually breaks us out. So. Right now we're just in this range here. They want to push this up.
Order filled.
15 ticks at a time.
Order filled.
This here, give it room to breathe. That's a pullback trade. Pull back to the upside.
Target filled.
There it goes. Took those out. The reason why is we had that wick and trying to make a move up. That's why I took it. So let's see if it actually breaks this 15 range here. See, it broke that candle there. Still in the 15 range. Don't have a breakout. A lot of people trade the breakouts. When it breaks us out, they go with it. A breakdown, they go with it. Sometimes it'll break out and come back in. There's our 9:15 candle. New candle just formed. Got the 8:30, 8:45, 9 o'clock. This is the 9:15. Trying to make a move to the downside. If we break this, this will be the next where I want to go and take my target out. Plus you got the low here. And that is S3's down there. That's the low of the week. That's the low of the week. Broke Friday's low. Scalping 15 ticks at a time. So you can see these 15-minute candles. This is higher than this. This is higher than this. This is higher than this. Until this gets broken out, your next level is this level. So you can see this 15 minutes higher than this one. This 15 so far is higher than this one. That's why it's important to get your entries right. And once you learn to trade, I mean, once you trade, you'll have your style of trading. I like to see this go back, start making green, and that way we can find out what the bias is. Next level to break is this level here. Looks like we're going to try to make a move to the up here. Just want to see that go up a little bit. Okay.
Order filled. Target filled.
So now this candle, if we keep getting green and pull back, we can take the buy trades when it pulls back, going breaking this and breaking this here. So there's 919.
Order filled.
What my stop here?
Order filled.
Scaling into these trades.
Target filled.
I'd like to see us get another push above this candle here. Come on. All we're looking for is 15. It's here.
Order submitted.
I just brought that down a little bit so I can get out of this trade here. It's not making any moves. Trying to go higher, but it didn't, so.
Order filled.
We're in another trade. We'll just stop here. That's just deep pullback. Expect us to go back up here. Take that out.
Target filled. Target
There
filled.
it is. So we're just in this range. We're just going to take 15 at a time. It's 922 right now, 770.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
There's one.
Target
That was
filled.
a quick in and out. I took that as a pullback trade because we had this wick here. Until it breaks out this, we'll see what happens. That's why when it's rangy, I like to do the 15. Just get the trades in and out because you can take buy sells. You just got to make sure that see, this was a green candle. We went right up here. There's resistance right there because you got this green right here. I'd like to see it break this. Tries to make a move up. We'll take another quick scalp.
Order filled.
Saw that little push.
Target filled.
There it goes. Just trying to make a push. Let's see if it actually breaks this here. So we got another high. Have not broken out at 15 yet. 925. Pullback
Order
trade.
failed.
We'll hold this right here. Just
Order
gonna scalp
submitted.
these 15 ticks at a time. I took that because you have this wick and it broke this one here, so let's see if we can keep going up and break that. $15 ticks.
Order failed. Target failed. Target failed.
Okay, we're at 1,000.
Order canceled.
All right, that's just from scalping. I'm gonna go ahead and be done with this. We're just in this range. This is the 830 candle, 845. That's the 9. That's the 915. So it'll probably break out at 930, but I'm gonna go ahead. So today we just scalped inside here, just using price action. So if you take your buys, you can put your stops right below those wicks. All right. Well, I guess that's the testing for today. 15-minute initial balance range on Nasdaq.